Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika and today I will show you how to make an easy animation in PowerPoint part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, go and watch that first because that's the basics. Before I start with the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos from my channel. So some important or main points to remember while animating are grouping, which is used for multiple objects to animate at once. Duration and delay, how much time the object will take to animate and come in. Animation direction, which is the direction of the object to come in frame. So let's get started. Okay, so in part 1, I made this animation. Now we are going to continue with grouping. Means two cars coming at the same time. In this, grouping, duration and delay, and animation direction, all 3 points will come. So first we'll go to Chrome and search cartoon car. Here I'm taking this one, green one. I'll copy the image, paste it. Now we're going to remove the background. You can go to format. You can go to remove background, mark areas to keep. Okay, so now I remove the background. Now I'm going to make it small, just the size of the other car. Yep, almost perfect. Yep. And now we're going to take it out of the frame. Remember, this picture is the frame. Okay. Now it's out of the frame. Now we will go to animations. There we see fly in. We'll do fly in. We'll go to effect options from right. Okay, if your car is facing towards the left, you're going to do it from right. If it's facing towards the right, you're going to do it from left. Okay, now it's going super fast. We do not need that. So now we're going to go to duration here on the top right corner. Here we're going to do it 4 to 5 seconds. I'm doing it 4.50 seconds. Now you can see how it looks. This is the first car that's going. And this is the second car. As you can see here, the cars are going one by one. We don't want. Right now we are focusing on grouping. Okay, so for grouping, we will take this car. Here on the top right, you will see on click, start on click. We are going to do it with previous. So this is how it's going to look. It will come in group. Good. Now let's delete this car. We don't want these both to come together. So we'll go to the top right and delete the green car. Go to delete and then just go to like 2.25 seconds. It's your wish. You can put any second. You can also flip the car and put it here. Also out in the frame, effect options from the left, and then the same thing will happen. But the green car will follow the red car, delete, and they both will come together in the frame as a group. Okay, so that is easy, right? Now we will move to the next part. Okay, so now we will add an airplane. So we will search cartoon. We'll go to images. I'm choosing this one. You can choose any picture you wish. Now I'm going to minimize it. Get out of the frame. I'll go to animations. Fly in. Effect options from right. Duration is 5.75. And we are going to group it with the cars. So this one, we will go here, start, then we will press with previous, and then you'll automatically get this delete thing if you have set it for the green car. I'm going to delete 1.50 seconds. And now let's preview it. So after 1.50 seconds after the red car comes, the airplane will also come inside the frame. Yeah, great. Now we are going to add birds. Now we will go to Google and search flying birds GIF. Okay. Here we will pick the first one. We will save image as, and then we will save it wherever. Now we will go to our presentation. We'll go to insert. No, we'll go to pictures, insert, and you'll have automatically a transparent background, so we don't have to remove anything. Now we are going to add humans walking. So for that we will need an application called Unscreen. So currently my Unscreen is not working. It is stuck to this preparing upload thing. So sorry, I won't be able to show you how to actually do the few steps, but there is another way. Also, I will put a link in the description so that you can refer to that one. Okay, so now we are going to add some humans or characters walking. For that, you have to go and search this Cartoon Boy Walking GIF. I'm taking this one for now. Save image as, desktop or wherever you want. Save it. Right now I'm going to drag and drop. You can also upload it from the insert pictures and then you can upload it. Now here, how will you remove the background? So there are two options. One, it's unscreen. The second way is, let's go to here and then you'll go to format. Here you won't get the remove background option because it's like a video, it's like a GIF. You'll go to color, set transparent color, click on that. Then you'll get a paint brush or like some kind of pen or something like that. Just click on the background here and then it will remove the background. Sometimes it won't work for some of the GIFs. This boy is coming out here. Now you have to take something like this GIF, not a still picture. This one actually makes it look a little more realistic. But for now, let's just concentrate on animating it. Animations, we are going to use the same fly in animation throughout the whole thing. Like this. Now we can also add this with the previous animations. We can preview it. So now you see here, the boy is going above the castle. The movement is shown like that. We're just going to right click, send to back. Just click there. Again, right click and send to back. Now let's see. Okay, it's gone super back. It's gone behind the picture. Let's just bring it back front. Bring to front. You can experiment and see sometimes. It worked. So you just have to do some things and just put it front back and preview again and again, and then you'll see it. That's how you can do. You can add more humans and you can see the full animation in one of my videos that I've uploaded. So you can visit there and then you can see how I've made it. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I also hope you learned something. And have a good day. See you in the next video.